Hello everybody, welcome to Merry Balloons. Today we will see how we can make different simple sword models. So previously I showed you one and today I'll show you two more. So for that we will inflate almost to the full. We can leave just a 2-finger tail. How to tie a knot is in the description, do check it out. It's very easy and simple, different models of swords which we can easily make. So this one, similar to the first one that we made, we make a 2-finger bubble. Then we'll make one loop twist. Approximately the loop of 4 fingers. This step is to secure the bubble. And now before we take the long side balloon and insert it into the loop, we will make few bubbles. So we'll just give a good squeeze and we'll make a small simple approximately 2-finger bubbles. We can make 4, 5 or 6 however you like, but make sure you don't leave the first bubble that you have twisted or else everything will come undone. Let the sizes be similar, if not it doesn't matter. And now there's not much tail left, so I'm going to just insert it into the loop. So you can make 5 or 6 bubbles also, no problem. I just made only 4. As you keep doing, you will get the technique of inflating the sufficient air and using it. So a simple different style of sword is ready. Do try this. Now let's see another model. This is also quite easy and simple. I've taken grey color. You can choose any color of your choice. Inflate this almost to the full. Don't need of much of tail for this. Maybe a finger tail. It will tie the knot. Give a good stretch. So now we will fold this in the shape of an S. Bend the balloon in the model of an S, and in the middle of the S shape, maybe like this, you just squeeze and hold all the 3 layers of balloon together and twist it just like this and adjust it, and easy simple another model of sword is ready. I hope you liked these balloon models. Do try these and give a thumbs up, and do not forget to share with your friends. And if you haven't still subscribed to my channel Merry Balloons, please do subscribe to Merry Balloons. Thank you so much for watching and happy twisting.